It's possible that oxpeckers help to keep wounds clean and reduce infection. But a plague of this many birds only adds insult to a literal injury. It was originally thought that the oxpeckers had a symbiotic relationship with their hippo hosts, both species benefiting mutually. These birds are now regarded as parasites. While they do pick off ticks, they also peck blood and tissue from fresh wounds. They are the only known bird to regularly eat earwax. Although it has a nutritional value, it's very hard to digest. Oxpeckers can't swim, so the hippo has a way of discouraging unwanted passengers. But he doesn't seem unduly bothered.